up, guys? We are going to the car wash right now to clean Danny's bumper, and once we get there we're going to explain what kind of is going on for today's video. So catch you right now. So Danny decided to go with an OEM bumper, but here's what kind of happened was that
so you guys remember last video, front bumper was cracked, so I hit a mailbox. So from what we've like inspected on the bumper, it's just this broken piece right here, this crack right here, and then these two like scratches inside the bumper, and then just a little bit right here to the fog light cover. So that's like the tab where the bracket goes in, so that's broken. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the bumper, because I actually hit up the guy that's gonna paint our cars, and he said he can attempt to fix it. He showed us a front bumper that he fixed on a Highlander, I think, and that thing was like beat up, and he fixed it. So we're gonna clean it up, take the lip off, take the side extensions off. I already got the fog light covers off. So let's go ahead and get this clean.
Oh. Hey, welcome back. Where have you been? Where have you been, buddy?
Mexico. What's up, dude?
I was in Mexico and oh, shit.
Okay, hey, what bumper do you think Danny should go with? Charge speed or OEM?
Charge speed.
Okay.
I like being different.
All right, guys, let's.
What?
Cause
I like that one.
I like OEM now, but the thing
That
is,
one, you like that one? I like that one.
My front bumper's getting painted anyway, so I don't care if it's scratched at this point. I'm sorry. Don't roast me.
You're not a real Subaru owner.
So I went to SAC that one day, and dude, there was hella traffic, like all of 50 here. So I went through the back towards Kirkwood. Yeah. Dude, the roads there are like the shittiest roads I've ever seen. I hit a fat bump, dude.
Didn't mess up the lip?
Look at that, like cracked it. And I thought for sure the bumper was done, but it was just this. So we're gonna take this lip off.
Are you gonna take it off for good, or are you gonna try to
Nah, yeah, this one's done. I'll just reorder another one.
Just collect your broken lips. Start the first one.
I went with the peach design.
Hey, where'd you get your exhaust?
For reals, dude?
Twin turbo?
Huh. Twin turbo's up here.
That's where you change your clutch fluid?
Yeah, this is the clutch fluid right here. This is extra boost liquid.
Oh, fascinating.
Yeah, so I put extra of this. Boosts harder.
Oh, wow. What kind of blinker fluid are you running?
I don't run blinker fluid.
Yo, he's crazy.
Brunker? Brunker fluid?
Hey, have you changed your nitrous?
Unpredictable, huh?
Nah, nitrous stays the same. But yeah, blinker fluid, I don't run it. Weight reduction. So.
And it keeps you unpredictable.
What kind of intercooler is this?
A removable one?
Just put it on top of the...
Fucking wire.
Oh,
I need the fender.
Marco, buy this front bumper.
Dude, do it. Not after that.
yours is worse.
Hey, let me get this though, because
No, man.
When are you gonna put your side skirts on?
When?
Yeah.
When the snow melts. So next month.
Next month. Look at Marco's car, dude. Should we show him 6? This is actually my brother's Subi. He got it like 3 months ago, but he got in an accident, and he just got it back. We're getting it fixed from the shop. It's pretty clean. You guys will probably be seeing some mods later on. I think he's gonna start by gaining maybe typical exhaust. But for now, he just wanted to get it back running because it got in a huge accident. So.
You want the cream? This is white ivory.
You want cream?
Yeah. You want the white ivory?
No, you want cream? You want cream?
Okay, you can.
So the guy that's gonna be painting our cars actually gave us this handbook, or this book with a bunch of colors. We've been looking through them, Danny and I, and Danny found the color he wants, and we're gonna be showing you guys that in a moment.
Coolers.
Yo, that's crazy.
Say, this is why you switched it.
Well, I didn't take that
Oh,
out.
yeah, actually, that's a
I didn't
good
want to take my wheel off.
No, but this is why you got that one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Daddy, you literally have 2 intakes.
Daddy, let me take that out right now. That thing's hella ugly too. You see how big it is?
How did
Maybe it gets more air
Episode 1. Danny, what the fuck, dude? Yo, chill. We're just joking about shit like that, and then he actually just pulling it off.
It's cool.
What's the reason you had to switch that?
Yeah, that's exactly why I didn't want cold air in Tahoe. There's so much still in there. Good thing I didn't run this. It's like stuck in there.
Yeah, it's frozen.
Yeah.
You're right, give me that. See the troops exposed.
Oh.
It gets dirty, dude. I need to clean all this part from the back. Cause I drove it once and I didn't want to drive it. I don't really drive my car.
See, and I was wondering if maybe there's like a fender liner that we can run, because I know we can't run like the OEM one.
Yeah.
Because it'll rub on the wheels, how wide they are. I wonder if there's something we can put, since I don't have fender liner on my door, when I open the inside of my door, all the dirt's in there.
I know, dude, trust me. And then
There it is.
first broken lip.
White chick, white chick. Break it up! Break it up!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I called Subaru. You know how much for the fog light covers? These like side splitters in the bumper? Like 928 bucks.
That's it?
The bumper costs less than the 2 pairs of.
That's it?
Yeah.
I think it's more.
So we were just talking about this guy on Instagram. His name is Thumper WRX, and he just recently did like, I think they call it the shaved look
Yeah, it's.
on his bug eye. That thing looks clean, dude.
We'll put a picture right here.
Right here, yeah.
But
That's
what he
probably
did.
something we'll do in the future.
Yeah, he took out the whole motor and then he shaved the engine bay and then he painted it World Rally blue.
Yeah. The only thing I don't get is like, does everything get relocated or do they just delete it?
What do you mean?
Like, the windshield fluid, like did he just delete that?
Yeah.
Like the fuse box obviously has to be relocated. Like how do they do that? You know?
Yeah, that's a good
Because
question.
I've seen it when they're just like fully built motors just right here and then nothing on the side.
Yeah, I've seen that, dude. I was actually looking at a picture, sir.
Covers.
Oh, look, it's Austin!
Look at the guy, he's like, what are you doing?
Dude, that's the homie Austin. He works with us. He's Dude, this kid's a straight savage.
Rolled coal on that dude that's cleaning the car wash. Did you see that?
The same area that smoke in there?
Sorry?
Are you the same area that smoke right there? Minute ago?
wasn't me. Sorry, it's okay.
He's like, oh, it's grape?
It was chocolate.
Canela. So this is the last one you're taking off?
Yeah. There's so much dirt in there. This one's hard.
You bought 2 because you...
Alright boys, so we officially got the whole bumper off. All the pieces are off. We got the side splitters here. We got fog light covers are in the car. Everything's disassembled. Hopefully he can go ahead and fix that. I really am praying that he can fix that, because that would be money that I don't want to waste. I have to, then I will, but I don't really want to on that. We got the flares off, grill, broken lip, that's going in the garbage. And then I'm gonna be running the car like that for a little.
Look at that.
Yeah, see, look.
This part.
So see, there's snow in there, but there's no fender liner anymore. So look, when I open my door, like it's in there, dude.
Wait, let me see.
Yeah. Look, it's all in there.
I was looking at that and he goes,
Can I put my hardware away, sir?
yes, sir. Thank you for that.
Now there's pieces scattered everywhere.
Hey, so you're gonna get my carbon fiber trunk or what?
Yes.
What was that? Is that a yes?
I want to.
Are you gonna buy it?
Okay, you got it?
God's plan. God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't. Yeah. I feel good sometimes I don't. Hey, no. I finesse down Western Road. Hey, yes.
Alright, so we just got in contact with the guy that's painting the car, and he said it's good to go. We can drop the bumper off. He's not home right now, but we also wanted to show you guys this. So we have a color book with all the color codes that we've been looking at, and
We're gonna be looking at that the next video, right?
yeah, probably next video we'll show you guys a little more in depth. We still got to go get another one that shows the exact colors. These are like closer colors, but there's a newer book that he has that shows a lot more colors, so we'll be showing you guys that.
Thank you guys for watching. Next video, hopefully the bumper's fixed.
Yep. Alright guys, peace out.
That's it, friend? Yes.